Hello, today we will guide you through how to embed an iframe on a Squarespace website. In this walkthrough, we'll add an iframe to your Squarespace site using the built-in embed block. An iframe lets you display content from another site, like a form, a map, or a widget, right inside your page. Before we begin, have your iframe code ready from the service you're embedding. Most providers offer a small snippet that starts with the word iframe. Start on your Squarespace dashboard and open the site you want to edit by selecting its title. This brings you into your site's settings and design area. From the left-hand navigation, choose Website to access your site content, then Open Pages. In the Pages panel, make sure you're working under the main website section so you're editing the public pages your visitors see. Enter the page editor by clicking Edit. You'll see your page with editable areas highlighted. For this example, we'll place the iframe in the site footer so it can appear across your site. Hover over the footer area and select Edit Site Footer to open that region for changes. Now choose where in the footer you want the embed to appear and click Add Block. In the block picker, select Embed. This block is designed for adding content from other platforms and works well with iframe code. After the block is added, click Edit on the new Embed placeholder to open its options. Switch to the Code Snippet view. This tells Squarespace you'll provide your own code rather than a URL. Then open the Embed data field. Paste your iframe code into this field exactly as you received it from the provider. You should see a preview load if the code is valid and the source allows embedding. A few quick tips while you're here. If the iframe looks too narrow or too tall, check the width and height values in your code. Many embeds support responsive settings, such as using a percentage for width. Make sure the source URL on the iframe uses HTTPS, as most modern browsers block mixed content. If nothing appears, the provider may restrict embedding. Consult their documentation for an alternative embed option. That's it. You've placed an iframe in your Squarespace footer using the embed block, the code view, and the embed data field. This approach works similarly in other sections of your site, so you can reuse it on individual pages where needed. Thanks for following along, and enjoy enhancing your site with embedded content.